Hello everyone, this is Konkona and welcome back to Style Travel and More. So this video is a bit different because this is an unboxing video. So there is an offer going on in the Body Shop online store. So I thought of restocking my essential products. So this box got delivered to me recently, and as I told you, I wanted to do an unboxing video and try how it goes. And so I'll be untaping them off screen because things can get a bit messy, and also I don't want to waste your valuable time. So I'll see you next. So I have untaped the box and let me open it. It's a bit heavy. It's got a nice bubble wrap. So yes, I have unpacked them all and let's see what I got. I know, I just wanted to show it to you. So yes, this is the Roots of Strength Firming Shaping Serum. So I have not reviewed this till date in my website. I am still tasting it. So when I review a product, I test it thoroughly for some time so that I can give you a better insight. So hopefully I can review this soon. Okay, so this is the strawberry lip butter. This one also I have not reviewed. I hope I can get ample content to review this as well. This one is the Ethiopian Green Coffee Cream Firming Body Cream. So I have already reviewed this in my website, and I'll be giving the link in the description section so that you can go and read it. And these are ginger anti-dandruff shampoo. I bought 2 bottles of them because these are essential for me. So I have reviewed this also as well. So I'll be again give you the link in the description section. So yes, that's all product I have got. So I hope that I have done a justice to the unboxing videos, and I hope you liked it. So just to mention that which all product I have reviewed, the Ethiopian Green Coffee Cream and the ginger anti-dandruff shampoo, I'll be giving those links in my description section. Also, you can watch the YouTube videos in my channel. So thanks for watching.